Welcome to RoboGuess. In today's video, you will press the button that you like after you hear the idea. Like and subscribe and let's start. You will eat this every day. Cotton candy. You will live here for a whole year. An abandoned amusement park. This will be your pet. This cool raccoon. You will wear this outfit forever. A full dinosaur costume. This will be your best friend. A talking toaster. You will have to sleep here tonight. Inside a bounce house. You will drink this from now on. Slushy that change color. This is your new job. Professional balloon animal maker. This will be your new home. A tree house in a volcano. You'll only hear this sound all day. Squeaky rubber duck. You'll drive this car forever. A hot dog-shaped car. This will be your breakfast forever. A giant jelly bean. You'll only speak to this creature. A sassy AI robot. You'll be stuck in this game world. Flappy Bird. You'll marry someone who owns this. Dragon. You will have this hairstyle forever. Do you like it? This will be your alarm clock. A chicken that screams your name. This is your birthday's cake. Spaghetti cake. You'll go on vacation here. A floating iceberg. You'll be famous for this. Slipping on banana peels. You'll wear this to your wedding. a superhero cape and Crocs. This will be your phone wallpaper forever. A grumpy cat in a bathtub. You'll babysit this for a week. This cute baby. You'll eat this with every meal. Marshmallows. This will follow you everywhere. This cute duckling. You'll ride this to school, work. A camel. You'll have this as your laugh. A high-pitched chipmunk giggle. You'll name your first kid this. Pickleface Jr. You'll win a prize, but it's this. A lifetime supply of glitter. This is what your future house smells like. Burnt popcorn. You'll spend the weekend doing this. Learning to talk to cows. You'll wear this on national TV. Pajamas with pizza prints. You'll get this on your birthday. A singing potato. You'll be turned into this for 24 hours. A glittery llama. Did you have fun? Subscribe and like for more fun videos. Bye.